Hi everyone, welcome to the fifth video of Redux Toolkit tutorial series. In the previous video, we have created the post slice and we are also able to see our initial state inside the Redux DevTools. So now today in this video, we will dispatch an action from the post file. So let's write the code for that. Let's go to the post.js. So for setting the data inside the store, we have to dispatch an action from our React application. So for that, React Redux library provide a hook that is useDispatch. So we have to import useDispatch hook from React Redux, import something from React Redux, and we will import useDispatch. Now we have to call useDispatch here, and useDispatch provides us a function we will store in a variable named as dispatch. You can make any variable, it's not mandatory to name it dispatch. So when I click on the submit button, this handle submit method will invoke. So I will dispatch my action here. So I will write dispatch, and this dispatch method takes an action. So if you hover on that, you will see dispatch, it will take an action. So the action name is add post, and we will pass add post inside the dispatch. So we will write add post, and React will automatically import the add post from the post slice. And inside the add post, we will pass our object. So whenever we update the form details, this event detail object has been updated. So I will just copy it and paste it. So on every button click, I am just setting this event details object inside my post array. So now the code has been completed. Let's move to our application. Let's make an event that is singing place Earth Galaxy, and the time can be 2 p.m. Let's click on the submit button. We are able to see post/add post action has been dispatched, and if we click on that, we will see our state, and if we click on state, our first object has been added to this array. And if we see the action, we will see the type will be post/add post. So this post will be this slice name that you have passed, and add post will be the method name. The method name will generate the action. So let's go back to the state and let's change the complete address. So I will pass this Milky Way and change the event to dance. And let's click again on submit button. Again an action has been dispatched. If we see the state, we will see two object has been added to my post array. So this is how we can dispatch action in Redux Toolkit. In the next video, we will fetch this array from the store inside our home tab. So thank you for watching this video. Let's meet in the next one.